Hey everybody, how's it going? My name is Rahul and I'm part of the Vitality Source. Today I'm going to talk to you about family, which I think is one of the most beautiful experiences that we as humans have. Now, a family is not just made with people, it is made with love, care, patience, and beautiful little moments. And when a child comes into your life, everything changes. A small heartbeat becomes your biggest reason to smile. Tiny hands teach you the meaning of unconditional love. A child brings joy, purpose, and a new kind of strength into the family. But this beautiful journey begins a little bit before pregnancy. You have to eat the right things, be prepared to conceive, and have the right experiences during pregnancy. This is the time when a mother's health becomes the baby's first home. What you eat, how you rest, how you feel, and how you take care of yourself all support your baby's growth. So take care of your body, eat nourishing food, stay calm, rest well, take guidance, surround yourself with love, because a healthy pregnancy creates a strong foundation for a healthy baby, a happy mother, and a beautiful family. But why am I telling you this? Because we at the Vitality Source, we do projects every month. And this month, our project is all about having the right foundations for pregnancy, how to conceive, how to become a healthy mother during pregnancy, during delivery, during postpartum. So join us. We have a session coming up pretty soon. It's a free session. Join us. 20 seats available. Come ask your questions. We'll have the round with doctors, nutritionists, therapists, all speaking to you during the call. Okay. With that being said, please feel free to join. Again, back to you from the Vitality Source. Talk to you soon. See you soon. Happy foundations, happy family. Bye.